1. Tibia is a bone found in the blank leg. 2. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Liver. 3. Water has maximum density at blank 4 degrees Celsius. 4. The scientific study of livings is called biology. 5. The word biology has been derived from blank word Greek. 6. According to modern system of taxonomy, 5 kingdoms. 7. Kingdom Protoctista includes blank protists. 8. Kingdom Fungi includes blank non-chlorophylls, multicellular, tylophytic organisms. 9. Earthworm is included in blank Kingdom Animalia. 10. The study of organisms inhabiting the sea and ocean and the physical marine biology. 11. The branch of biology which deals with the use of data and techniques of engineering and technology concerning living organisms is biotechnology. 12. The branch in which organisms' life cycle, mode of transmission and interaction with their hosts are studied is parasitology. 13. The molecules of living matter that provide building blocks are mostly based on carbon. 14. Human blood is an example of blank inorganic compounds. Tissues. 15. With different chemical arrangements and formation of complex molecules, cells. 16. Organelles are blank subcellular structures. 17. Functional unit of DNA is blank genes. 18. Various tissue types combine to make up blank organs. 19. 2 or more populations of different species living and interacting in the same area form community. 20. A group of similar cells that perform a specific function is tissues. 21. Which of the following is an example of molecule? DNA. 22. A group of very similar interbreeding organisms constitutes species. 23. Members of one species inhabiting the same are form blank population. 24. On the basis of collected facts and GERS, a scientist formulates a factative statement called hypothesis. 25. Robert Hooke discovered blank cell. 26. Malaria is associated with blank Anopheles mosquito. 27. Biologist Grass discovered the life cycle of Plasmodium in blank 1898. 28. The RST antibiotic to be discovered was blank penicillin. 29. Immunization by vaccination was RST introduced by Edward Jenner in 1795. 30. The science of growing terrestrial plants in an aerated solution is blank hydroponics. 31. An educated guess is called hypothesis. 32. Dolly, the sheep was a highly successful clone from a somatic cell, reported back in blank 1996. 33. Crop rotation helps in blank eradication of disease. 34. People living in high altitudes like mountains usually have a blank larger number of red blood cells. 35. Which vitamin is needed for the formation of a light-sensitive pigment in the retina? Vitamin A. 36. The average internal temperature of human body is blank 37 degrees Celsius. 37. The study of fossils is called paleontology. 38. About blank of the body weight of a mammal is water 70%. 39. The experiments on DNA molecules in chromosomes for knowing the basis of inherited diseases are conducted by molecular biologists. 40. On wound blank fight foreign particles like bacteria. White blood cells. 41. Synthetic insulin from pork was formed by which technique? Biotechnology. 42. Blood is carried towards the heart by blank veins. 43. The branch of biology which deals with the study of social behavior and communal life of human beings living in any environment is called social biology. 44. Blank is essential for the formation of hemoglobin. Iron. 45. Out of 92 naturally occurring chemical elements, how many are considered as bioelements? 1646. Blank are needed as a source of energy for the vital activities of the body. Carbohydrates 47. Oxygen accounts for ____% of total's human body mass. 65%. 48. The atoms of different elements combine with each other through ionic or covalent bonding to produce compounds. This stable form is called a molecule. 49. Hemodialysis means cleaning of _blank blood. 50. In animals, coordination is achieved by means of both A and B.